This fix is a little bit complicated, so I'm making a video to show you what to do. The critique here is that this is difficult to read and not taking up the space so effectively. This is one option to correct it. I'm going to show you how you can put this on two different lines. There are a few ways to do this. I'm just going to show you the fastest. So you select this one line, and now I'm going to hit Option, which will duplicate the line. So I'm holding down Option, and then I drag the line out, and that will make a second one. The next step is that I'm going to delete the second half of that line on that one. So you have this centered. The best way to fix this is to align it to the left, and if I do that, it will just go straight to the front. But how would you fix this otherwise is you would zoom in, and you could see that there's this arrow that's next to the arrow, and that's going to push the text backwards. And this lets you futz around with the exact placement of where the text starts and where it stops. But again, you could just left align it and that would solve the problem as well. The next thing is I'm going to delete the first half. Now we have these two parts of the line on different, the two parts of the sentence on different lines. And I think that that takes the space up a little bit better because now we have some white space on the side as well as on the top. You had plenty of space on the top and bottom, but we want white space on the sides as well. So by doing this, we use the space a little more effectively. The next thing we can fix about this is how the words are kind of squished together and strung apart. I don't think you need to fix the then. The letters are a little far apart, and that's just because of the curve. It's not a big deal, but the way that you would fix that is by highlighting the particular letters that are too squished together. And over here you have these options that let you fix the spacing. What you'd want, this is the leading, and that's the space between lines. This is the space between letters. So you could, if you have this go up, now this is called tracking. The tracking is the space between the letters. And now we've made this space a little better, so that's easier to read. We can also do it between the T and the H. You don't want to make it too tracked out. That also won't look good. And this happens when you start making lines on curved edges. Okay, that's how you can fix those things. Let me know if you have any questions.